Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. For today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my nighttime skincare routine. Right now, I'm wearing makeup, you can see. So let's just get started. Alright, you guys can see I already took off my lenses. I'm wearing my glasses and the type of my hair. At night, I use this product, L'Oreal New Nouveau Cream Cleanser. I prefer to use cream cleanser because I'm not a big fan of foam cleanser because that makes my skin so dry. I usually use cream cleanser or milk type of really mild cleanser, but I wash my face twice. After washing my face, I prefer to remove all my eye makeups and lipstick. Some people do that first before washing their face, but I feel like that's just a preference problem. So let's just gonna remove my makeup and coming back. The texture is look like this. So I wash my face. After washing my face, I always put this mist, tea tree calming mist from Nara. It's a Korean brand. I bought it like 3 months ago, but I'm still using it. It moisturizes my face, so I love it. I love mist actually. They are really good. Anyway, I'm literally right now blind because I don't wear glasses. And after that, I'm definitely gonna erase my eyes by using cotton swab. But sometimes I just use a cotton pad if I'm just lazy. I heard that removing eye makeup by using this makes my eyes get wrinkled in the future. So I'm trying to use this one. I'm gonna use this water eye makeup cleanser from Life. I don't use any mascara or something. I just use eyeliner and eyeshadow. That's it. Boom! There is not many stuff left, so I feel like the cleanser works pretty well. But I just worry about lefting some makeup on my eyes, so I just do that. Today I just wear lip gloss. I think there is no leftover stuff, but who knows? There is some stuff. It's a little surprised. Definitely I'm gonna put lip balm. I just use this Nivea Warm Hydro Care, the basic stuff. Oh, feel really good. Feel really refreshed. It's time to apply lotion. I'm gonna use this Bioderma Aeroderm cream. I always go with this. The reason why I use it again, because the price is quite reasonable according to this quality and quantity is really big, and it's multi lotion, so I can put this one on every part of my body and face. It's convenient. The texture is like this, a little thick for dry skin. Just gonna apply that. I cannot see anything, and my small table mirror is broken. Alright, I applied, and after putting lotion, I always put eye cream. I start to recognize the power of eye cream and the importance of eye cream. Damn, getting older and older, I start to get some wrinkles on my eye part. Whenever I smile, I can see some wrinkles underneath my eyes, so that's pretty sad, but that's part of life, you know, getting older, getting wrinkles. But I'm trying to make that happen slower. I want to look fresh and young. I'm using this, the Body Shop Vitamin E. It's pretty basic eye cream. I feel like I'm still young, so I don't need like too much expensive eye cream. I definitely want to invest more money on eye cream. I'm just gonna apply it. The texture is like this. I usually apply underneath my eyes and also this part. You can see I almost use it up, but I just want to try a new one. So I love Body Shop actually. They sell good stuff and the brand's value is pretty good. I love Animal, so good deal. I apply some product for my acne spot. This is not beauty product. The law is changing in Korea, so you need a prescription from doctors to get this product. It helps to reduce having acne on my face and also good for my acne scars. I put it at night. It looks like this and it's a liquid type. So I just put this one. On the part I have acne scars and acne prone part. So I apply this after putting lotion. It works pretty well, you know. Forehead and this chin and underneath my lips. I also want to introduce other stuff I usually do for exfoliating my skin. It is Drydex. It contains salicylic acid, not too much, like 0.5%. So you can peel your skin when you feel your skin too much oily, so it helps you prevent having acne. But the problem is it makes my skin dry, so I just use this once per month. You just have to rub your face by using the cotton pad inside of it. Yeah, this is all my nighttime skincare routine. And sometimes I'm lazy to remove my makeup. I'm doing my best to remove all my makeup right after getting home. But actually, right after home, I'm just busy to take off my bras and clothing. Thanks for watching it and give me a thumbs up if you want to see my morning skincare routine too, because it's a little different and I use different products. Have a beautiful, wonderful, great day and see you on my next video. Bye!